This ad will appeal to the child in each of us.
I'm dissolving! I'm dissolving!
The camera pulls back, revealing the film set, and the director yells, "Cut! That's a wrap!"
You know, I've dissolved plenty of witches in my time, and the best solvent is hydrogen hydroxide. Plus, it tastes great, it's non-fattening, and contains no cholesterol. Hydrogen hydroxide, it's great for dissolving witches and a whole lot more.
Water is a great solvent. It dissolves thousands of different compounds. Most biological functions of living organisms, like plants and even us, involve water as a solvent. Blood plasma is an aqueous solution of many compounds, including proteins and carbon dioxide. Nutrients that move into our cells and waste products that move out of our cells are dissolved in water. Even the electrochemical impulses that our nerves transmit rely on electrolytic compounds dissolved in water. What makes water such a good solvent? Let me show you a little magic trick. Well, it's really not magic. It's actually chemistry and physics. Watch. I'm giving this a positive charge. Say the magic words. Dipole, dipole, van der Waals. And the flow of water bends. I can give this vinyl strip a negative charge. What do you think will happen when I move it close to the stream of water? The water flow also bends, and it bends in the same direction. Water is attracted to both the positive charge and the negative charge. Water molecules can behave like charged particles. But how can that be if they are neutral overall?
In a water molecule, two hydrogen atoms each share one electron with the oxygen atom. This leaves two unbonded pairs of electrons on the oxygen side of the molecule. This uneven distribution of the electrons around the molecule gives it a positive charge on one side and a negative charge on the other. When charge is unevenly distributed, the molecule is called polar. Water is a highly polar molecule. The positive ends of the polar water molecules are attracted to the negative charge and the stream bends toward it. The positively charged strip attracts the negative ends of the polar water molecules, also causing the stream to bend toward the charged strip. The highly polar nature of molecules explains why the water flow bends under the influence of an electric charge. It also explains some of water's remarkable properties, such as its ability to dissolve so many substances. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound. The sodium and chloride ions that compose it are oppositely charged. What do you think happens to this ionic solid when placed in water? The positive end of the water molecules attracts the negative ions, and the negative end of the water molecules attracts the positive ions. This attraction helps water molecules pull solute particles away from the solid and keep them separated. The water particles surround the solute particles and move them out into solution. This process is called hydration.
Because water is highly polar, it is a very good solvent for ionic and other polar substances. The positive and negative poles of water attract and surround oppositely charged particles, isolating them from the solid.